Right now, we're just finding the edge that's behind the wall. So we got a hit. It's right here in the middle. You can get one of these from Home Depot, Walmart, any local store. It's called the Edge Finder, and it finds the 2x4s or any type of wood that's behind this sheetrock. So when you put the holes in the wall, it actually goes through some wood. So when you put your TV on the wall, it gives it great support. So man, make sure y'all hit that like and the subscribe button, man. I'm finna give y'all some real stuff. The TV, and I know it's not the same way, but the way I do it, because I know how to do it. I done did it 1,000 times, so I'm just gonna prop the TV about right here so I can see how far along I am from the cable cord. You can see the cord, you see how it's hanging right there? That's where we want it at. So that we know we're in a good spot, we can plug it into the wall. So we're gonna get this thing up here on this wall, and I'm gonna be back. And this is another technique. If you don't want to lift the TV up, you want to just kind of, you know what I'm saying, take it like, you can eyeball this, because you know the piece of wood is somewhere in the middle. So basically, you'll probably want to put your TV about right here, so you can have enough room to plug into the socket. So what I just did, actually, I just poked a little hole into here so I can actually, you know what I'm saying, get it in the wall quicker. But actually, I usually use a hammer, so it's preferred whatever you feel like using.
I can see what you're doing.
Okay. So right now, take your time because it's entering inside the wood, so you don't want to rush this process. It went all the way through. That's what we want. See, actually, the first hole right here, I messed up. So now we're going to take this bad baby back out. Put this bad baby in, but we ain't going to tighten it down until actually we level it out. Make sure that's what we want to do. That's how you know when it's in there, though. Now, we're going to get this. We're going to get the level. Make sure you got this bad baby right. Look at him. He already perfect. Hold on. He's perfectly. So now we're just going to drop the screw in the bottom. Easiest thing right here, putting the TV on the wall. Let's see what it stay. Let's see if my magic works. Careful, I keep telling you, be careful. So look, y'all, look like we getting this thing in. Well, it is great. What I'm talking about. Okay, let's turn it off. Oh, so yeah, for everybody that's out there and they want to know, how do I do this type of stuff? This how we do it. This where it's at, right here. Subscribe to the channel now, Dream Game Productions, man. We're going up this year. Love y'all. Appreciate all the love and the support. Make sure to tap, share, man. This is just the hood rig. You know what I'm saying? These tools that I use, these are the only tools that I use. And I had hammer, but I didn't have it with me at the moment. These are all the tools that I use. Drill, edge finder, screwdriver, which is a Phillips head, a lever, and I use this just to tap the screw in the wall. I could have used the drill, you know, just put drill the hole in the wall, but instead I did it my way. The way that I growed up, you know, I know how to do this, so yeah, let's go. What's the next video? It will be better. So, you know what I'm saying, just stay tuned. This was just a quick tutorial, just teaching y'all how to get the TV staying on the wall the right way so you can put your TV on the wall. If you don't have a whole bunch of money to pay, you know what I'm saying, somebody to come out here and install it yourself.